Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to log in to code.org using Google Classroom. You're going to start by going on the classwork tab where the assignment is. You're going to see the code.org link at the bottom. You're going to click this link. It's going to take you to code.org where you will have the option to continue with Google, which is the red button right here that says continue with Google. When you click it, it's going to ask you to sign in with your name. Make sure you choose your name and the one that says jcpsnj.org. Next is going to ask you to allow code.org to access your Google account. You will click allow to make this happen, which is at the bottom. And now is going to take you to the first lesson today. If you are having trouble reading the instructions on the top, you can click the speaker button on the right side so that it can read the words to you. To do that, click the speaker button. The play button will appear at the bottom of the screen. You're going to click play and it will read the words to you. Click the block. When you are finished, you're going to click the back arrow and now you're going to click the block. The block is the block with the apple. You will hear the sound and it will let you know that you completed puzzle 1. To move on to puzzle 2, click the yellow arrow that says continue. The instructions are once again on the top. You're going to be able to have some assistance reading the instructions by clicking the play button on the right side. You're going to click OK. And now you're ready to do the next puzzle. Drag the block to the target. This is the target. This is the block. Click the mouse and drag it to the target. You're going to hear a sound and it will say congratulations, you completed puzzle 2. You're going to click the yellow arrow once again to move on to puzzle 3. The instructions are on the top. And now let's click play so we could hear what we're supposed to be doing. Arrange the blocks to form the image. You're going to move the block that's on the left side to complete the snail picture. Make sure that you snap it into place. Once it's finished, you're going to hear a sound and the little window that comes up that says, congratulations, you completed puzzle 3. Now you can continue to puzzle 4 by clicking the yellow arrow. And this is the end of our tutorial. You can keep working on the puzzles until you are finished with the entire lesson.